What happens when a production line suddenly stops because something as small as a valve stops working? At first, it might seem like a minor problem, but that small issue can quickly lead to production delays, wasted material, unexpected repair costs, and even quality problems. For industries that rely on fluid dispensing systems to apply adhesives, sealants, or lubricants, keeping these systems in good condition is essential for smooth and consistent production. So, how can manufacturers prevent small equipment problems from turning into expensive breakdowns? That's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome to the Patvin podcast. We are a leading supplier of turnkey systems with over 2 decades of experience. We offer top-notch solutions such as smart paint circulation, sealant systems, cobots, lubrication systems, and more. In today's episode, we're discussing system refurbishment and annual maintenance for fluid dispensing systems, and how these practices can help maintain long-term equipment performance. We'll look at what system refurbishment means, why annual maintenance matters, the warning signs that your system may need attention, and some best practices for keeping your equipment running reliably. So, let's get started. What is system refurbishment? Your fluid dispensing system gets a fresh start with a system refurbishment that goes beyond standard maintenance. To put it simply, refurbishments mean cleaning or improving something to make it more useful. Instead of buying a new machine, you fix or replace worn-out parts so your system can keep running well. The aim is the proper smooth operation of your system. It typically includes changing out worn-out parts, adjusting the sensors, changes to control systems, inspecting the equipment. If your systems are refurbished in a timely manner, it improves overall performance, increases reliability, and extends equipment life. Next, let's see why annual maintenance matters. Breakdowns in your equipment do not appear out of nowhere. Equipment failures are often linked to inadequate maintenance. You may encounter problems in your fluid dispensing system, including worn-out seals or inaccurate sensors. If you neglect these issues, they can cause serious damage to your production unit later. This is why annual maintenance should never be overlooked, as it helps find and fix problems in your system early. The benefits are better accuracy while dispensing, lower breakdowns, improved product quality, less material waste, reduced repair costs, longer service life of equipment. In industrial sectors such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, and packaging, planned maintenance is less expensive than emergency repairs, particularly during production. This proactive strategy is a key part of effective industrial maintenance. This helps avoid expensive interruptions and promotes compliance with quality standards. What are the signs your system may need? Refurbishment. Your fluid dispensing systems can show crucial warning signs that may indicate deeper issues. In most cases, the warning signs of a system failure include irregular beads, erratic pressure, sluggish valve operation, noticeable leaks, the necessity for frequent servicing, increased energy use, unusual noises, and sensor and software issues. While one issue may not be a major concern, the simultaneous appearance of several problems could mean that a full fix is needed rather than just normal maintenance. If you pay attention to these warning signs, you ensure the smooth running of your system in the long run. Understanding how fluids move through your system can help identify performance issues earlier. Read our full guide on fluid handling systems. Let's know the best practices for maintenance and refurbishment. Replacing old components is only one aspect of good maintenance and reconditioning. Here's how to increase efficiency, decrease downtime, and extend equipment life. Carry out a complete inspection. The machine undergoes inspection of all critical sections, such as the electrical linkages, pumps and valves, etc., to find out what issues are occurring now and in the future. Choose high-quality replacement parts. Choose parts that are guaranteed to fulfill the required specifications for greater performance and longer life. Investigate the root cause. In case of minor issues, patching is not the solution. You must delve deeper into finding what caused the issue. This will prevent a larger systemic failure later. Train the people who run the machines. Train your operators so that they can immediately detect performance changes and notify you of concerns before they impact production. Keep data. Maintain detailed records of repairs to track recurring issues and to plan future repairs or replacements. These steps will increase equipment reliability, reduce maintenance expenses, and prolong system life. Conclusion: if your fluid dispensing system has any outdated parts, it can disrupt production. This can compromise product quality, increase costs, and result in unexpected downtime. That's why you must treat annual maintenance as an active investment, thereby ensuring peak efficiency of the manufacturing unit. If you're evaluating ways to extend equipment life without full replacement, explore our system refurbishment solutions. Long-term system performance also depends on efficient fluid flow, making fluid handling systems an important part of reliable operations. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. If you found this episode useful, like, share, and subscribe to the Patvin podcast for more episodes on manufacturing systems, automation, fluid handling, maintenance, and industrial technology. And if you're looking to assess, refurbish, or maintain your fluid dispensing system, visit patvin.co.in to explore Patvin's system refurbishment and annual maintenance solutions. You can also reach out to Patvin to schedule a system audit and understand what your equipment may need. Thank you for listening. Until next time, keep your equipment running, your production moving, and your maintenance one step ahead.